Good morning. In this video, we're going to talk about how to sell your appointments with PayPal. Basically, the first thing you're going to need is to have a service that you're selling, which is our case. As you see, we're selling a consultation for $65. Now we're going to configure PayPal. So we click on PayPal. PayPal is a premium add-on. So first you're going to need to get the add-on. Once you get the license for your add-on, head to add-ons in Wappointment, enter your license key. I already did that, but it's a very simple process. Then look for PayPal and click install and click activate. Once it's activated, go back to settings, services, and then click again PayPal. As you can see, the system now is expecting us to enter a client ID and a client secret. So in order to get that, you need a PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, just click sign up. Once you have your account created, go to developer.paypal.com and you'll get that dashboard. So that dashboard lists all of the apps that you have. It's basically all the access that you're giving in terms of API connection. So basically it's the permission you're giving to different apps. So what we're going to do here is create one app for a website. So we're going to call it test app. You can call it whatever name works best for you. As a reminder, we're going to leave all the details as default. Create app. And here we're getting a client ID, which we're going to copy, then paste it here. And we're getting as well a secret key, which we're going to copy and paste in here. So there is a checkbox that is called live mode. Currently we're working in the sandbox. So basically the application we've created in PayPal is in the sandbox. As we can check here, see there is sandbox and live. So as long as you're just testing the system, just create a sandbox key, So we created a test app here in the area of the sandbox. Once you go to production, just switch to live and go through the same process. And once you'll be done, just click live mode. Anyway, for now, we're just going to work in the sandbox and we're going to save the credential as they are. So we click save. It's reloading. Now, PayPal is configured, test mode is on, so that's a reminder. You know that you're working in test mode and not in production. Now I click enable. And I don't know if you've seen, there is a checkbox that appeared, which is disable credit or debit card. So basically, with PayPal, you can accept all sorts of payments, starting with a PayPal account to PayPal account. It also includes debit and credit cards. Now, in our case, we prefer to just use Stripe for debit and credit card. So we're going to disable that option. Now we're going to head to appearance as a new step has been published. If you go to payment, now you can see PayPal has its own tab. And so that's how it will look for your end user. So let's try to get booked through PayPal. So let's try to pay an appointment with PayPal. So let's select a slot, enter the details, test account, confirm. Then the PayPal tab appears, so you can pay with PayPal or the local payment that are available in your country. So we're going to select PayPal. And now what you need to understand is that in order to pay with a PayPal account, well, you need a PayPal account. And so since we're in the sandbox, PayPal creates two different accounts. You can see them in the sandbox account part. So you go there and you see you have a business account and a personal account. So basically the business account is where the money is going to be received when you get paid. And personal account is an extra account that you get just to make payment, so that you can test. So if you click on the three dots, view edit account, you can get the full email and the password so that you can log in into the sandbox. I'm already logged in, and so this is what the balance is of that user currently. This is all virtual, this is not real money. Now, let's complete the payment. Click PayPal. Now you see it's sandbox.paypal because we're in test mode. Okay, I click pay now. That's it, payment is complete. Now I'm going to check my new balance. So 845. All right, I'm going to check the orders. As you can see, the order has been paid. Now I'm going to test the refund. Let's refund. There we go. And we're going to check that the money is back into the user account, and it is back. So it's all working well. So that's it. That's super easy to work with PayPal and Wappointment.